Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to teach you how to set up the smart TV. So guys, go to Play Store and please download the V380 Pro that are the CCTV website. That guys, please download that in the Play Store. After that, you download in the Play Store. So please click that and we go to setup. So click the V30 and add device. So after that, go to CCTV and scan the QR code of the CCTV. So after we scan the QR code of the CCTV, you can see is set up the Wi-Fi. So I scan the CCTV QR code. So guys, please wait. Just wait, guys. Just wait. Okay, guys. As you can see, it's already done. So just set the internet. So after that, you need to be uh, scanned by that camera. So you can face this to the CCTV camera. So after that, guys, you can hear the connecting of the CCTV. So just wait, guys. Just wait. So you heard the connected. So you just click. After that, guys, you click the device is connecting. So please wait, guys, for connecting in the CCTV. Your device is connecting to CCTV or the apps. Okay, just wait, guys. Just wait. Okay, just wait, guys. Okay, so it's already done. So I set up. So after the setup, guys, please click and you need to set the password for privacy. So just set the password, guys. I set that um the password. Okay, I already done to set up the password. So you need to go. After that, guys, go to CCTV. It is working. So just wait. Okay, so please click that. So you need to click. Okay, if okay, as you can see, guys, the CCTV is already work. So thank you guys for listening and please subscribe my YouTube channel.